their names. I'm just going to talk to them in Messenger and hope that I can come out of my shell. When I first met you, I must admit I fell in love. And when I think of who I want most to make smile, you are the one I'm thinking of. Oh, you cat like thief, you stole my heart. I can't recall a time when I feel like I do. For you, my love, I would do almost anything. And of all the beauties of this world, you are the most beautiful thing to me. Oh, you cat like thief, you stole my heart. No longer do I feel alone at night. All I have to do is close my eyes and rest with you comfortably by my side. When I am with you, I know that everything will be alright. Such a cat-like thief, you stole my heart. Yeah, you stole my heart.
Oh, yeah, that was nice.
Thank you.
That was beautiful.
I write silly love songs. Okay, well, now I know what to play. Watching the moon through the eyes of a cigarette, it's almost gone. Looking back at my life and the times we never won. And regrets, something that I no longer feel. Waking up from a dream and wishing it was real. This hard reality has taken from me so many bits and pieces of my heart. Skipping class and getting caught, smoking pot and getting drunk. These weary eyes are what's been told. He grabbed the keys to his father's car, but something felt missing as he went too far. He watched as the news dropped pictures of a missing child. He watched as the years cast him away. This hard reality has taken from me so many bits and pieces of my heart. Skipping class and getting caught, smoking pot and getting drunk. These weary eyes are what's been told. This hard reality has taken from me so many bits and pieces of my heart. Skipping class and getting caught, smoking pot and getting drunk. I'm thinking these weary eyes are what's being told.
Yeah. That was great.
Covered by the Barenaked Ladies. It's called Light Up My Room.
I like how he started that. Hey, hey.
A hydro field cuts through my neighborhood. Somehow that always just made me feel good. I can put a spare bulb in my hand, light up my yard. Late at night when the wire's in the walls, sing a tune with the dim of the falls. I'm conducting it all while I sleep to light this whole town. If you question what I would do to get over and be with you, lift you up over everything to light up my room. There's a shopping cart in the ravine. The foam on the creek is like popping ice cream. Field full of tires that is always on fire to light my way home. There are luxuries we can't afford, though in our house we never get bored. We can dance to the radio stations, plays in our teeth. If you question what I would do to get over and be with you, lift you up over everything to light up my room, my room. Hydro field cuts through my neighborhood. Somehow that always just made me feel good. I can put a spare bulb in my hand, light up my yard, light up my yard, light up my yard.
Yay.
One more song?
Yeah, why don't you do two more?
Okay, I'll do two.
Cool.
All around me are familiar faces, worn out places, worn out faces.
Yes.
Bright and early for the daily races, going nowhere, going nowhere. Their tears are filling up their glasses, no expression, no expression. On my head I wanna drown my sorrow, no tomorrow, no tomorrow. And I find it kind of funny, I find it kind of sad. The dreams in which I'm dying are the best I've ever had. I find it hard to tell you, I find it hard to take. When people run in circles, it's a very, very mad world. Mad world. say they feel good.
Hey.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Hey.
I feel the way that every child should sit and listen.
Hey.
Sit and listen.
Hey.
Went to school and I was very nervous. No one knew me. No one knew me. Hello, teacher, tell me what's my lesson.
Hey.
Right through me. Look right through me.
Come on, I hear you.
And I find it kind of funny.
Hey.
Kind of sad. The dreams of which I'm dying are the best I've ever had.
Hey.
I find it hard to tell you. I find it hard to take. When people run in circles, it's a very, very mad world.
Mad world.
Margin our world. Mad world.
Yes. That was awesome.
Let's do one more here. That was great. Really
One more.
cool.
was good.
Okay,
How about Green Day, Sam?
Green Day, okay. Sing along.
So you guys
Sing along. Let's go. Let's hear you, Nate.
Another turning point, fork in the road.
Yeah.
Time grabs you by the wrist, directs you where to go. So make the best of this test and don't ask why. It's not a question, but a lesson learned in time. It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life. So take the photographs and still frames in your mind. Hang it on a shelf in good health and good time. Tattoos of memories and text get on trial. For what it's worth, it was worth all the while.
Hey.
It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life. We need violins.
Ooh, that'd be nice.
Violins would be nice.
Yeah.
It's something unpredictable, in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life. It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life. It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life.